Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update LumaFusion project settings for iPhone multicam edits, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open LumaFusion on your iPhone. Locate the project you want to update. Tap on the project thumbnail to open it. Once in the project, navigate to the settings by tapping the wrench icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, select Project Settings. You'll see options for video frame rate and aspect ratio. Choose the appropriate frame rate for your multicam edit. Select the aspect ratio that fits your project's needs. Ensure that your audio settings match your video frame rate for better sync. Scroll down to Multicam Settings. Enable the multicam editing feature if it isn't already activated. Select your primary camera from the list of available clips. If needed, adjust the other camera angles in the list. Confirm all settings are correct before exiting the Project Settings menu. Tap the Done button to save your changes. Return to the main editing timeline to see your updated settings in action. Your project is now ready for multicam editing with the new settings. Proceed to trim and arrange your clips as needed for the final edit. Use the dedicated multicam editing tools to switch between angles smoothly. Continue editing your project until you achieve the desired outcome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.